replacement surgery provides an excellent results for a patient who is suffering from painful arthritis of the joints. We are using a robotic knee system nowadays, and of course there are many advantages of using robotic knee system in knee replacement surgery. It provides a very accurate and precise procedure during the surgery. That's the most important thing. So the results can last for a very long time. Of course, with using a robot, you can have a minimally invasive surgery component into the procedure where you can minimize the pain and of course the blood loss as well. By using a robot, there can always be a better placement of the component, and at the same time you can also customize the procedure where we can choose the joint size as per the anatomy of the patient. There are many advantages of using a robotic knee system. Best key advantages are it could be a very accurate and precise, very fast recovery, less pain and long-term results.